Glora looks best on me. La 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 la, become.
He's never at the banquet. He's never at the ball. He sends a portrait of himself. It's signed, your love means all. I never make appearances, appearances make me. The shadows part politely for my inevitability. Quiet, Ozzgar.
Quiet,
Ozzgar. Yes, I dress like this on purpose.
say,
Behold the floral conqueror in sunlight woven gold. A walking masterpiece of glory, too radiant to behold. My jacket blooms in arrogance, each petal stitched by fate. These medals, oh, just every war I might have won or wait.
of course I awarded half of these to myself. I am just that good. Glory looks best on me. Tailored in divinity, gold braid tassels, metal stacked. My history is overdressed, in fact. Platinum sword adorn my stance. Even statues steal my glance. Count Ozzgar von Snifflegotch.
Perfection in brocade pants. Perfection in brocade pants. Perfection in brocade pants.
Eight decorations on my chest, no, 23 at least. Each one marks a triumph where my brilliance was released. Observe the epaulets, pure gold, they shimmer when I breathe. The universe requires sunglasses when I choose to see. I preen and pose and pirouette in tapestry and thread. I pin the moon upon my coat and crown myself instead. I toast my name at breakfast and bow to mirrors twice. I call it destined greatness and not call it deeply overpriced. I say the stars revolve for me and everyone agrees. But darling, you're just wallpaper to the masterpiece that is me.
Glory looks best on me. Tailored in supremacy, gold braid blazing endlessly. Count Ozzgar von Snifflegotch, the best of the nobility. Oh, then
I remain Count Ozzgar von Snifflegotch.
oh, then
Von Snifflegotch. I remain Count Ozzgar von Snifflegotch. Heir apparent of Snifflegotch.